size of straw. Someone should blow it out once in a while. So with this method you've got to have everything in hand because you've got about half a second to lay down the gold. So cut your gold a bit bigger than the patch you're making. Test ones to see if the gold is good. All your gold you can keep in a bottle, and once you get enough you can make shell gold out of it, so don't throw it away. Okay, so in a cotton wool, in the other hand you've got your patching. You can have a number of bits of patching gold on the same brush. So put that in your mouth. So we're going to blow. Immediately put the gold down and immediately press down with this, but it's got to happen within a few seconds. Press down and hold it down for a second or two. You've got to press immediately. If you leave it for a second, all the moisture and the warmth in your breath has done its job, and it won't glue. See, I didn't get it in fast enough there, so it hasn't stuck. Actually, I think I burnished after I put this on, so I'm going to have to redo all these. I forgot.
That's the same size that we used originally.
Yeah, the big old size. Okay. That's why it didn't stick. I forgot that I burnished all this after I put the size on. Don't patch when the size is wet. It's got to dry it out. I don't know why, but it doesn't work if it's wet.
It's size added to water. It's not
The same mix we used.
And once if you burnish first, normally you would lay the gold, do your patching, and then burnish. But if you've had to burnish first, just because of lack of time, like we've done here, you'll find that these polish up quite nicely with a cloth, with a cotton wool rather.
So now when you burnished, because you got on the red bowl, you have to do this first?
Well, I suppose because I was going around everyone else, I just sort of ran out of time really and didn't have the time to...
So you can't burnish with the burnisher, that's what you're saying?
well, they're too dry now, so you want me to burnish these with the burnisher. Yeah. The reason you can't patch large areas using this method is that your breath just won't soften a large enough area. So that's where you've got to use gilding water with a bit of size in.
Oh, that's awesome. It's the same as we have in here that you're working with now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
with the size in it.
More size.
The size has to be put into it.
More.
So that's a weak size.
So this is wheat. That's gilding water. Forget about that.
That's
This is
just
gilding. This is gilding wheat gold size, which is 6 of water to 1 of size.
Okay, that was the thing we put on before we
Yeah, that's
started.
right. Yeah, so exactly the same. So you've got to polish this with a cotton wool, and it will come out quite nicely. You might hardly notice it. Okay?
Okay.